Hi everybody, this is Nunu, and my purpose in this video is to provide an overview of Essay 3, Statistical Overview, Self-Assessment. All right, let's scroll down in this assignment and survey it together. Up at the top here, we have assignment notes. These notes are very important. Please read them. You need to be aware of the late policy in the syllabus for assignments and also aware of where the rubric is for this assignment. The rubric, of course, explains how you will be evaluated for this assignment. All right. Scrolling down a little more, we have the essay due by 11:59 p.m. on Friday. The directions are here. Read them carefully, please. And below the essay, we have requirements for this assignment. You will need to create a works cited, and you will use the Purdue Online Writing Lab to help you. The Purdue Online Writing Lab has a works cited generator. The sources in your works cited will be these sources right here. Okay, next is peer evaluations. They're due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, and directions are here. And please be aware of our grading timeline for this essay writing process. Now, I'm going to scroll up a little and show you something important. And it is the focus of Essay 3, which is the Statistical Overview. I am going to click on that document and it comes up. You will need to read this very carefully and analyze it according to the directions for the essay. All of these numbers, all of these statistics in here are incredibly important, so read it carefully, please. All right, I'm going back into the directions, and I am going to scroll down to the peer evaluations, and I'm going to remind you that we always ask and answer 9 questions for 2 peers' essays, and those 9 questions are right here. You can simply copy them, paste them in a screen, and answer them in regard to 2 peers' essays. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in the inbox, and you know that I keep my Zoom office hours faithfully, and also my evening Zoom. I Zoom once a week with everybody in this class, tutoring you about assignments. Where will you find the Zoom access information? It's here in Home, where I just clicked, and you would just click on this office hours icon to find that information. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, please remember I'm here, and I hope this video was useful to you.